Great project ideas, although there are a couple of questions on the blogs with regard to what you actually produce. So I've created this visual, and let me explain it very briefly. Should you go route number one, then you're writing a 4.5 to 5 page analytical paper. Very straightforward. Now, you can just write that paper and upload it to Turnitin, or if you want, you can put it onto a blog and I'll take a look at the blog. If you use the blog, then you can also put in pictures and you can put in video clips, etc. So there's the first choice. The second and third choices allow you to be a little bit more creative in that a part of your project are actually the propaganda materials that you would create. So for example, you can see in the picture above, I said maybe you create two different sorts of materials, maybe a little brochure, maybe a billboard, and then you couple that with an analysis of the brochure and the billboard that you created, and in that analysis you would explain the propaganda or media that you're using and how they function. Now I also have that green and red option up there. And I give you the green and red option because in the past I've had students who created materials, but they weren't like billboards. So for example, they created an Instagram site or they created a Facebook page for a company. And so in that case, what I received was 3 pages of analysis coupled with a link to the Instagram and a link to the Facebook. So again, I know I'm giving you a lot of options, but I hope that this image above clarifies a little bit. Final point, regardless of which direction you guys go, you have to create 1,200 to 1,400 words. So for the first one, that's about what 4.5 pages would have you do. For the second and third, some of those words may be covered by the creative materials you create, and then your 3-page analysis would cover the rest of the word count. Again, I hope this clarifies. If you have questions, let me know. Take care.